SD memory card. You guys want to guess? Okay, so oh my gosh, I've never been more excited in my whole life. Jesus Christ. Where should I just open? I look like I'm 15 years old now. I don't know why I get so excited over this. But the thing with the Osmo Pocket 3 is that I've been meaning to buy it for so long that I don't even remember when was that. What is this? Is it the actual case or what is this for? Oh yeah, the case. Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. Now we know. Alright, so let's go to the important part of this. I love this right here. This little bag with the DJI logo. I live for this. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Look at this, guys. No, I cannot. I cannot with this. So the Osmo Pocket 3 itself comes in this little bag. And right here on the side, what do we have? I think this is a battery, right? The battery grip. Let's see. Yeah. This is the battery handle. I think it goes like this. So much fun. Okay, what else? I mean, this is a whole package. Show me what you got. I mean, what is in here? What is this little... It looks like another grip, but this is actually the handle. Oh yeah, this is for the handle so you can mount on the tripod. The little tripod that it comes with. And this right here, I guess this is the tripod. Let's see. This is the little tripod. Look at this. This is so freaking cute. Okay, so it should go here. Yeah. Okay, how does it? Okay, this way. Nah, I'm not gonna break it. What I've been most excited about, the DJI microphone. I know. I don't know, I've been so excited. Okay, USB-C type cable. That's important, right? What else? Oh yeah, so this little microphone protector in case it's the weight is too strong. This is for you to hold, just so you don't lose it, I guess. But yeah, I'm not gonna do it right now because it's gonna take too long. What else? Oh yeah, this is the wide angle lens that it comes with. Oh yeah, so it should go. Do you see that? So good. Where was the case? For this one. Oh yeah, it's gonna go right. Right, you're perfect, huh? I know. Okay, yeah, so the little tab so you can keep the microphone like from the inside, and the microphone is gonna be just like this. I can show you. See? It is not falling down. It's not falling up like at all. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. Right here, I didn't lose it. I did not lose it. So yeah, so scan the QR code to download the DJI Mimo and connect to camera unit to activate. Oh yeah, so as you guys can see, this is already with the DJI Osmo Pocket. It feels kind of cool, you know, just to be holding it, especially because it's not too heavy. And the many accessories that it come with is just so cool. A lot of grips. Also, the mount handle, perfect. I mean, can we take a minute to talk about the microphone? This is the real deal for me because, you know, I think that if you buy this on through the website, you're gonna pay at least 150, 200 bucks just for this. So this coming with the Osmo Pocket 3 is already a blessing. So this is really good. I guess now I'm gonna have the possibility even more to go and walk with the street and also record for you guys because it's so much more lighter than the other cameras that I had, and also my phone. So it just makes more sense for me just to walk around with this. Yeah. And yeah, I know this was a quick video, probably quicker than the others that I already had made, but I just wanted to do the unboxing with you guys and also for you to get in first hand, just like me, what it feels like to unbox this little precious thing. I guess I have a lot to go through it and also catch on the app and also see how each of these functions and tools work. So I will see you guys on the next video.